I am Brittany Surratt, and I am a sales assistant here at America's Home Place in Anderson. I, 7 years ago, was building a home myself, and we interviewed several builders, and we ended up coming to America's Home Place. The cost-effective aspect of it was what brought us to choosing America's Home Place. And the people and the way they treated us was the reason why we stayed with America's Home Place. I was halfway through my build, and the sales assistant that was here actually was going out on maternity leave, and she decided not to come back. So Doug called just to see if I could help him out for 2 weeks until they found somebody to replace her. And I told him, of course, I didn't mind doing that. And that just kind of led to where I am now. So 7 years later, here I am. I have stayed with America's Home Place simply because the company is so family oriented. They really look out for not only me as a customer, but me as an employee. Everyone that we work with here just goes above and beyond for the customers, and I couldn't be happier.